Hi, this is Scott Siskin. I'm the president of First Republic Mortgage Bankers. When you need a mortgage, call First Republic Mortgage Bankers and deal direct. Eliminate the middleman. No mortgage broker fees. Stop wasting your hard-earned money on your high-rate mortgage and your credit cards. You can save every single month by refinancing. You personally can save every month by locking in the lowest rates in over 30 years. And we make house calls to the entire tri-state area 7 days a week. Call 718-380-0006 if you're buying a home or you want to refinance your home. 718-380-0006.
You're a loan officer from the bank right now, ready to help a lot of folks out there who have been getting a lot of information all across the internet, across television, radio, and all of that, but you're physically in the studios to speak with everyone who has all kinds of questions from other entities, themselves, and others. You're ready to answer all the questions. Why is it that you'd like to do that, sir?
It's always a pleasure to be here to help the folks, educate the folks out there, because there's a lot of people don't understand what they're paying right now on their interest rates, on their credit cards, on their first mortgage, their second mortgage. What I want to talk to you about is effective rates tonight. A lot of people have a first mortgage, they have a second mortgage, and a lot of credit card debts with very high interest rates.
Okay.
So some folks look at the first mortgage and they're only paying very low rates. And they think, oh, you know what? I don't need to refinance. Meanwhile, they're paying 14% on the second mortgage. They're paying about 18% on their credit cards. So if you look at the effective rate, they might be paying about 11% overall. So they got to refinance, cash out, pay all these credit card debts, and be debt-free. And this is what we have to talk about tonight and get people call in to see if they could qualify for those rates.
Now, you're saying that you can help these people right now?
We're here to help out. I'm here with my friend Rob and David from the office. We want to help people out because there's a lot of folks out there that are paying very high interest rates, and they don't even see it. Because you know what? When they took out the loan, they thought it was a fixed rate, but it was not. It was adjustable, and then it adjusted to a much higher interest rate, and now they need to refinance to pay off all the credit card debts, pay off the first mortgage, pay off the second mortgage, have one low monthly payment on one mortgage only.
You know what, man? Let's just let these folks get in right now. Once again, folks, a lot of you out there need to speak with professionals, speak with key executives from this bank. I would appeal, and like to appeal rather, to every single person that is out there right now. You've gone to another institution, okay? They have told you everything that you need to hear, okay? Why don't you get a second opinion? Not that you necessarily have to go with First Republic Mortgage Bankers, but get a second opinion. At least say, yeah, these guys that I'm going with know what they're talking about. Get an opinion from First Republic Mortgage Bankers about your current interest rate on your current property. What about you? Dealing with the situation of being in Lispendence, being the fact that you are behind on your mortgage and you're thinking that you cannot get out of it. You can, but you got to make a phone call. Hold up, I'll give you the number in a minute. What about you with all the credit card bills, all the other bills that you have, your car notes, the generic medical bills? You can get rid of all those bills right now. Yes, you can. What about you who is looking to buy a house, but you've been listening to the negative news saying, no, I can't buy a house? That is not so. You've got to speak with these guys at First Republic Mortgage Bankers. What about you that went somewhere else and don't believe that First Republic Mortgage Bankers can do better? Well, there's something that's called a risk reversal program. You need to make a call right now. Ask Paul, ask David, ask Robert, what is a risk reversal program? Listen carefully, folks. If you have already decided to go with another institution, First Republic Mortgage Banker is saying that they'd like to be your second opinion. They'd like to review what it is that you're going to be getting. If it is better, stay with them. You have absolutely nothing to lose. If First Republic Mortgage Bankers can do better, guess what, folks? They'll take care of all the incidental costs that you have laid out with this other institution for free and also give you $500 on top of your deal. This is great. This is First Republic Mortgage Bankers. So here's the number to call: Paul, David, and Robert. They're inside of the Link Up Radio Studios. They can reach me directly right now, right this second. If you have properties in Florida, Georgia, New York, Connecticut, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Maine, South Carolina, Delaware, Maryland, call them right now, especially my tri-state people. The number, especially if you have credit issues, the number, 718-325-5555. That's 718-325-5555. 5555. Call directly, speak one-on-one with them. They will personally answer the phone lines. You can ask them all the questions you want to ask them privately and confidentially. Nothing will get out, and that's what it's all about. Speak with this big bank right now. First Republic Mortgage Bankers, physically at the Link Up Radio Studios with yours truly, Squeeze. Call them at 718-325-5555.
First Republic Mortgage Bankers is a licensed mortgage banker, direct lender in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, Florida, Delaware, Maryland, Georgia, South Carolina, headquartered at 110 Jericho Turnpike, Floral Park, New York.